Hey guys, how's it going? It's Seth. Today I want to go over my dividend portfolio and just give you all a quick update as to how it's going with my dividend investing. You can see this is the Krabby Patty formula. I want to show you my holdings and some of the strategies that I implement for this portfolio. And it's really specific to me and to my time horizon when it comes to investing, and it's really specific to how comfortable I am with investing and my risk tolerance. So all of that comes into play here within this portfolio. It's going to be a little different for every dividend investor, right? Not every dividend investor is going to be investing with the same strategy, right? Some of us might have similar holdings, which you'll see here, and I'll show you right now. I'll jump into it. I have SCHD. This is the core of my portfolio, and I'm sure this is as well a core of your portfolio if you're watching this too. That's just my educated guess here, but SCHD is a great ETF, and I have about $10,500 in it. So I also have $10,500 into individual holdings such as Broadcom, Apple, Texas Instruments, Altria, Coca-Cola, Visa, Pepsi, Nike, Johnson & Johnson, Lowe's, T. Rowe. Some of these holdings are in SCHD, but not all of them are. But these are kind of my ride or die holdings right here. I'm just building up a position in SCHD just because, I don't want to be too risk averse, right? So I also follow the rule of 42, which is having no more than like 2.5% of your holdings into one single company, right? It's the rule of 42. I have 42 holdings right now, and I have everything equally weighted. You can see I'm building up a position in this pie, which is called the degenerates. I'm going to show you what it is right now, but it's a mix of business development companies, close-end funds, covered call ETFs, MLPs, and REITs, right? It's a mix of all of this, mainly high yielders that have consistently paid out dividends for a long period of time. A lot of these are also monthly payers. So you can see here I have Maine, which is a monthly payer, EO, BST, UTG, UTF, right? These are some great monthly payers. You can see I also have some blue chip stocks, BTI and PM, right? These are great ones. And my goal with this portfolio right here and this slice of my portfolio is to build these positions up so I can take the income from the dividends from this portfolio and I can reinvest it back into the pie. So my goal is to make about $100 a month in dividends from this slice alone. In order to do that, I'm gonna need a little more than $10,000. And my yield for this pie, I'll show you right now, is 3.17. That's for my whole portfolio. But for the pie I just showed you specifically, I just called it yield. My yield is about 7.59% with a dividend growth rate of 4.8%. Now, this is awesome. I do this because it keeps me motivated to keep on dividend investing. When I see these dividends come in, it really keeps me motivated, guys. And, I plan on living off these dividends maybe in about 20 years or so, 15, 20 years, but who knows? Things can change. I might get a job that pays more. I might get a job that pays less. I'm just going to try to live off these dividends as soon as I can, right? So you can see with my current portfolio right now with where it's at, this is my income forecast here, right? I invest about $20,000 per year. I've actually done a little more than that. I started this portfolio back up in September of last year, and right now it's March, and I've invested about $21,000, right, which has been great. So I've been able to invest a little more than $20,000 so far. But if I stay on this track, you can see by 2038, I'll be making about $30K, and 5 years after that, 2043, I'll be making about $60K. Now, let's continue on with this portfolio right here. Look at my income calendar for this month. Absolutely insane. I love to see this. You can see I'm getting paid by JEPI and SO March 6th, which is today, J&J, AMGN, Microsoft, Target, I'm getting $5 on this day. So you can see this month I'm getting $136 in dividends. And this is going to come from SCHD. I'm getting almost $90, $89 from SCHD in dividends, which is a great thing to see. I would just like to say that. You can see my yield on cost is already 3.23%. My dividend yield, yes, 3.17%. But, a lot of you guys might have your own specific opinion on this pie that I have right here. The degenerates is what I call it. Because, this is a taxable account and I have a really high yield with little growth, right? Now, for me, this is perfect. The reason why is because I'm okay with just getting the monthly dividends from this portfolio and reinvesting it back into my pie and growing these other two holdings. That is my goal, right? That is what I want to do. And I absolutely love it. And that is, I never plan on selling out of these holdings, and these are holdings that I plan on keeping forever. But anyway, guys, that was just a quick update. If you have any questions or, leave your 2 cents worth in the comments below. But thanks for watching. I make videos quite frequently, so there'll be another one coming out soon. Take care, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.